Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have found the perfect gift for the super active cat in your life. This is a cat wheel or cat treadmill that stands vertically, rolling on very smooth rollers. I'm surprised at how easy it was to put together. You can either do it with a hand tool or a power tool, and it took under 30 minutes to assemble the whole thing. And this is Oliver Hudson Valente, who is also known as Trash Kitty. He is extremely active and curious cat, full of energy. So we put him in the wheel and just spent a little bit of time moving it so that he could get accustomed to it, not be afraid of it. You can also use a laser pointer or a toy if your cat is toy motivated, or you can use food as a reward. Basically just spent time with him while moving the treadmill, while moving the wheel, and he was in it, and he was really happy and interested in it. And in no time at all, I'm actually surprised, but in no time at all, we found him playing on it with his toy and just getting some exercise, running along happily. So I'm really pleased with how easy it was to put together, how it takes up very little space considering how large it is, and how much enjoyment TK gets from just running in it and playing with it. He just expends a lot of energy. This will keep your cat active and engaged, which is going to keep him from running around the house and maybe even being less destructive. Plus, he's going to burn up a lot of energy on this wheel. I am so surprised how quickly he took to this. He even brings his toy on it and really seems to enjoy himself. So if you have an indoor cat and you're worried about exercise, this is exactly what you need. You will not be disappointed. And that's my point of view.